This phone has a display on the back. Wait until you see what it does. Xiaomi just dropped their most powerful smartphone series of 2025, and it's absolutely wild. Meet the Xiaomi 17 series, the regular 17, Pro, and Pro Max. The base model packs a 6.3-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor, and a massive 7000 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. The Leica Summilux camera system delivers professional portraits with that 50MP main sensor. But here's where it gets crazy. The Pro and Pro Max have this dynamic back display that shows your notifications, lets you take selfies, displays AI wallpapers, and so much more right on the back of your phone. The Pro Max goes even further with a 7500 mAh battery and adds 50W wireless charging, starting at just 4,499 yuan, available September 27th. This is genuinely revolutionary stuff. Follow Technical Khalil for daily smartphone updates and honest tech reviews.